Guys, welcome back to my vlog. My name is Nina. I am a transgender woman, registered nurse, fashion and lifestyle vlogger. So I did a video about come luxury shopping with me a couple months ago and it did so well. And today my mom and I are going to do some furniture shopping for her new home that she just got. So excited to go buy some furniture and decorate the house. So I thought, why not bring you guys with me? We're gonna have so much fun. So we're going to Restoration Hardware, we're going to CB2, Crate and Barrel, among others. And let me show you my outfit real quick before we get there. I'm wearing this cable sweater from Banana Republic. How gorgeous is she? I have this cute little leather shorts from Sarah. And I don't know if you can see it, but my Stuart Weitzman boots, my Wolfer tights, my YSL purse. I wear this every day, every night. It goes with everything. It was my first designer purse, and you need to get one. And then I have this Lululemon top underneath. It's perfect for, just like a layering piece. And we are ready. Let's go. We are going to Arhaus first to see what they have for my mom's house. So let's go take a little peek. Mira, me encanta esto. I love this couch. So cute. So comfortable. 6,400. Wow, so expensive. Her face. Mira estas chairs, qué bonitas.
Esta mesa es muy sencilla, ¿no?
Está bonita, pero tiene que matarte, ¿no? I love it. It's so cute. I love the chairs too.
Me gusta con la silla.
Yeah, with the chairs it looks good. How much is it?
2,100.
¿Dónde dice? Oh wow. 2,000.
Regular.
Oh, it's on sale. 2,600. That's not bad. Wow, this bed. It's on sale too. It's 3,500. Guys, I'm obsessed with this 30 chair. It's 2,200. So cute. The only problem is that my mom's house is gray. Like most of the stuff is gray, so you cannot really put brown and gray together because the walls are gray. The floors are gray, so we have to remember that. I guess if we put a little like carpet, it would go with the gray floors, but Mira qué bonito. Grande, It's beautiful, but it's just so long. Obsessed with the centerpiece. How much is it? So it's 2,400, but it depends on the size. 36 inch, 42 inch, 54 inch. I love this chair. I know, this couch too. Mira, si te compras esto, she gets that, she can get the side table too. Me encanta este mueble. ¿Y cuánto está? Sí, pero I don't think it's gonna fit in my house. That's so beautiful. It is beautiful, but I don't think it's gonna fit in my house. It's too big. Where?
No es que quieres cambiar el mueble que tú tienes. En vez de ese mueble pones esto.
Ah, el de largo. Pero este me encanta. I love this room set. It's so pretty. And everything is on sale, Mom. It's called the Finley Bedroom Collection. I love this table. It's so cute.
que ese es más chico. Y
So the
está
one we're
3000.
looking at right now is 96 inches and it's 3,900, so 4,000 pretty much. But for her house, we would need a smaller one, like a 60-inch, no? But the 60-inch is round, it's not rectangle. This round table is so beautiful. 3,200. No, but it's 3,500, I think. Pero me encanta, but she wants a longer one. It only fits 5 people. No, it only fits 5 people. Guys, we're going to head to RH Restoration Hardware next. Let's go. I love this store. It's so gorgeous. Even if you don't buy anything for inspo, it's perfect. Wow. Guys, I am obsessed with this bed. It's $4,000. So beautiful. Gorgeous. Because everything is so expensive here. I usually shop at the outlet, but everything is gorgeous. Here we are. Yeah, they're for like more for like big homes, like mansions, but they're just beautiful just to come here and just get some inspo. Look how gorgeous is everything. Obsessed. Guys, we are gonna head to Crate next. We were just at Restoration Hardware for some inspo, but let's go. Guys, I'm obsessed with this center table. I need one for my house right now. And this couch is beautiful too. I already have a couch like that, so it will go well with my centerpiece. Why is it falling forward like that? Like, yeah, you know what I mean? But they're comfortable, you know? Pero this, I am obsessed. I'm gonna get one for my house. Sí. This is cute, but I don't love it. No? No me mata. Yeah, it's cute. I like it, but I don't know. Try it.
Las piernas no salen. Imagínate que dicen que...
Wow, this is cute. All this, the vibe going on right now. So beautiful. I love this bar, so cute. But you have to match the right wood with everything, because if it's not, the color of the wood is not matching, it's not gonna go together, you know? So it needs to like make sure you match the wood color with everything else.
Mira, esta mesa se agranda y se acorta.
Obsessed with this couch. And this, so unique. Love this bar.
En la sala,
Así
en
un
la
bar.
pared pongo uno de estos con un espejo.
A mí este bar así, este bar is very unique, so you have to buy something like this. Me encanta. I love it. It's very unique. How much is it? 1700. Okay, next we're going to CB2. This is my favorite furniture store. When I bought my house, I got a lot of furniture from here and Crate and Barrel, of course. So let's check everything out. I love this. Sí. ¿A dónde? Love this couch. But at the end, it's your decision, no? It's our house, so you have to decide what you like. Look at this table. Mira esta mesa, qué hermoso. Wow, this chair. So cute. It's on sale, guys. 1300, it was 2000. Mira, está en sale esta silla. Obsessed with this lamp, so cute. This one is 900. Wow, it's made of marble. So expensive, but it's beautiful. Guys, I've been wanting a bowl like this for my center table. So cute, but I'm not in green, maybe like in beige. And look at that chair, wow. With this, 3,000. Wow, it's beautiful. So my mom just ordered this. We ordered this from online. So pretty to see it in person. And now she needs like a bench like this. No sé. ¿Cómo? Yeah, you can put clothes in here. Can you open it again and see what's in? Ese no tiene, ¿no? Ah, ahí puedes poner sábanas, ¿no? Love this bed. Bonito, ¿no? Guys, I'm obsessed with this bowl, but it's so expensive. $300. So cute. Está bonito, pero no sé, medio
¿No?
muy simple, ¿no? This table is so gorgeous. Guys, we love this couch. It's comfortable, no? I wonder if there are different versions. A ver, ¿hay different versions or no? So this one is the lounge deep 93-inch 2-seat sofa. So it's only 2 seats. But that's what my mom wants. She only wants 2 seats. She doesn't want a L couch. 2,300. Not bad. ¿Te gusta? I also love this one. We're back at Crate and Barrel, by the way. I forgot to tell you because we needed to see the couches here again. So this is the same price. This is called the Cambria White 96-inch sofa. What I love about this one is that it's very unique. It's not like little unique tones like here.
This is, believe it or not, the deep version. So there's a less deep. Are you liking this
Oh.
depth right here?
So we're looking at the Lotus collection.
the 5-piece. That's $7,300. Actually, is seats, but
So it's a little more pricier than the other ones, right?
it is an extremely durable fabric.
Oh.
And
It's washable?
it's cleanable, so that I'm not supposed to tell you to put in a washing machine because some people will use hot water.
So that one is 6,200. Okay guys, we're gonna end up buying this collection from the Lotus collection. It's gonna ship right away. She said next week. So we're doing the L shape, which is the 4-piece reversible right here, as you can see. And it's so gorgeous. We're just gonna see if we can add some other pieces because she applied for the Crate and Barrel credit card and she got approved for $10,000. ¿Cuáles jarrones?
Están encima de la mesa.
Sí, están bonitos. And we're also getting this table. I love this table, obsessed. I think I'm gonna get one for my house in the future and change the couch as well. Guys, we secured the bag, we got the couch, we got that table over there, and we are going to get some food. Guys, I got the truffle fries and the American cheese burger. This burger looks amazing. And a little glass of wine and a pickle. So these are the sofas that my mom wants for the house, but we're just wondering if she needs 2 or she just needs 1. Because the couch that we bought is pretty big. It's not this one, but it's like an L shape. So we are back at our house to look at dining tables. So far we like this one. I'll show you in a second. So cute. It goes, we love the chairs and the color of the table. But you can now make it shorter or longer, so $2,600. I like the table, this one, but I don't like the chairs. No me gustan las sillas. This one is good. How much? $3,500. Guys, I think we're done looking at furniture. We're just gonna do some shopping around. Maybe like, I'm not even sure where we're going. But this mall has everything, all the luxury stores. I already have a luxury video here. I'm gonna post the link at the end so you guys can watch it. This bag for the summer. This one is so pretty. This one's so pretty. YSLs are 60% off. Insane. Wow, mira, 60% off. Actually, this whole rack is 60% off. Crazy. Heading to Ralph's Coffee. We ended up buying the couch, what else, the center table, and I think that's it. So we also bought some things for the centerpiece, but that's about it. We just need to look for the dining table next, right? We might check out West Elm next time, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I love you so much. Follow me on Instagram at Nina Patroni tonight.
Bye.